The North Devon coast is spectacular, absolutely breathtaking. I tell you what, I'm glad I brought the big coat, because this jacket is not going to cut it today. There we go. Have a really good walk around here. Are you ready for this? This is going to be a really interesting video. It's going to be good. It's going to be real good. There's a viewpoint here. You can walk down the coastal path to Lynmouth. It reminds me a bit of Scotland a little bit, but of course it's North Devon. Let's go. A little bit cold, quite excited. That view up there looks epic, and you can see the stunning views. I can feel gravity pulling me down. We're getting near the edge now. I've not been here 5 minutes and we're already on the edge. There's people walking over this side, so there must be an epic viewpoint this way. Hello, how you doing, guys? Got two little ones, mum and dad. Camera's on you, come on, say hi. Aren't they cute? I'm getting a bit closer now. They're just munching away, they're hungry. Little ones I've got to feed. The footpath to Ringcliffe Beach closed. Very dangerous to proceed beyond this point. I guess we're living dangerously today. Everyone else is going down here. Not to say that we should. It's a bit slippy if you go on that bait. People on top there, wow. There's people walking all the way down there. I just had two guys walk past who looked like they'd been swimming. They were in their speedos, so they'd been for a dip. Oh, it's looking epic now. Ah, oh, this is what we're talking about. You have to get close to the edge as always. And little beach. Wow. Wow. A little piece of heaven right there. Not so much of a path. It's like some people have been down there. I'm a little curious. We'll just walk to the end bit here, see what it reveals. We see people down there, man. People sunbathing. There's a dog, little girl. Wow. What a little cheeky paradise down here. It looks like someone's climbing as well. Top rock there. What the hell's going on? Oh, they want pictures of the ghosts. Loads of ghosts around there. We've got lots of people, photographers around. Look at the size of it. Ooh. This is the start of the coastal path. It goes to Lynmouth. So they just come and sit on the bench, look at the water and soak up the sun. This is really good, it's nice. Tarmac path. A hell of a view there. That is just epic. Oh, a nice little quirky bit. You can go around. We can get on the edge slate here. Wow. This must be one of the viewpoints. This is it's not wise when it's such a windy day. A big gust of wind will just like blow my hat off. But look at it. Not often you're greeted with such spectacular views. Out there, I think it's Wales. A nice little path around this. There's a squiggle. There's a squiggly little path. But look at it. Wow. You want to know what the southwest coastal path looks like? You get a taster of it. This is it, my friends. This is it. You tell me if you like it or not. There's definitely worse ways to spend a nice sunny afternoon than on the southwest coastal path. Judge for yourself what a life-changing adventure experience it is. Absolutely breathtaking. Wow. The North Devon coast is spectacular. If you've not been to North Devon yet, you need to get here. Go and do some hikes, some walks, life experiences. They'll stick in your memory forever. We've got so many people here. All right, thank you. Thank you.
There you go.
I think it's a walking tour. What a beauty. We go up and up and up. I figure this grants us some brilliant views. This is the highest point yet. Oh, we go up and up and up. You know, on a really windy day, don't come up here, because if it's strong enough to blow you, you're in the sea. This water is lovely and blue. Look at the different shades of blue there. That's interesting. I've just checked the map. We are indeed facing Wales and Swansea, just over there. Our goal, our mission, is to go to as many places, adventures as possible. That's what life's about. If you could just visit different places for the rest of your life, you'll be so happy. Gotta say, this is an amazing walk. Absolutely. I'm buzzing off it. Buzzing. Just mind your head though. If you're like me and 9'6", just mind your head. No, really, I'm 6'2". I don't know about you, I could walk along here all day. Look what we found. We found some goats living on the edge. Let's go and say hi. It's amazing how they can just be on such steep land like this. Hi guys, are you alright? Get a bit closer to them. There we go. They are brave souls, aren't they? Everyone's so polite to walk past. Everyone like gives a smile to you and they're like, hello. It's just wonderful. What a wonderful path this is. Well, this path just goes on and on and on. That goes to Lynmouth, half a mile. And now we're going down to Lynmouth. Wow, I'm running down. It's all downhill from here. It looks like we've a way to go, yeah. We're definitely venturing on new ground today. Oh, hopefully we don't come across some crazy muddy paths. Well, look at it, we're still a way to go down, yeah. It just keeps going and going and going. I can see the bottom. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those views. The views have started again. Wasn't too bad going down actually, but I feel like going up, it's got to test anybody going up there. Right, it's a question of, do we go this way or this way? I think we just go this way into the sun there, follow the sun. Yeah, that's the end. Let's go and have some fun, guys. This is an epic adventure today, guys. Want a good look? There we go. Just listen to those waves. Here we have the railway, of course. Now it's closed. It was open before when we drove past. The hub of walking trails. We got Minehead, 21 miles. Poole, 609 miles. Creator Richard Graham at the Hull Exmoor long distance walking trails. Unveiled 8th of May 2017 by John Craven, the Walker. Found the harbour, and this is all gone in the dull side now as the sun's going down a little bit. Everything's closing now because it is like nearly 6. It must close 5 o'clock, 5:30. The plan is just to walk around this bit, this small street, it's a nice street, and then get some food. There's a chippy just down there, smells nice. We got a chippy there. The harbour shed. Yeah, we'll just see what looks interesting and then we'll set the wall back. But I am getting hungry. Little quirky street. My belly's calling me. That fish and chips smells so nice walking past. I'm hungry. Of course it's looking a bit dead. We've got the pub there which looks open. The village inn. Gonna head to that chippy on the corner. What's this place? The roaring fire looking good. If you want to look through this tunnel here, this tower.
Sorry.
It's alright. There's not much sun left over Lynmouth, but in this part of it, the sun's still shining strong. That chippy over there I'm gonna go because I'm so hungry. I just got fish and chips from a place there, Spaniard or something like that, so let's eat. Looks fine enough. Nice chips. I've got this fork. Nice. Nice, fill me up this. That's what I needed. A curry is sweet. It's like sweet curry. That's your place. People having it on the beach. Yeah, I don't think there's much going on really this time. It's been a great walk. Good fish and chips. Let's make the way back. I'm feeling full of energy again. This is going to be the most challenging walk up a hill in recent memory. Will I rise to the challenge or will I buckle under the steepness of the muddy path? We will find out. Okay, let's do it. We start it half a mile uphill. Farewell. It's been good, guys.